My name is Mike Walker, and I work for a company called Orange County Container. We're located in the City of Industry, California, and we're a manufacturer of high-end corrugated boxes and displays. And I basically handle and coordinate all the high-end graphics, all the technical, and also all the design that comes into the plant. It's very important that as we got into higher-end graphics that we became very good at it. In doing so, we put a lot of processes and a lot of procedures together and a lot of controls on what we do out there to achieve that and become world-class printers. One of the things that we found with these higher-end printers, with the IR dryers and the UV dryers, there's a lot of heat generated, and also the vacuum transfer. There's also a lot of, a lot of airflow going over the sheet. And it's very important that you keep your inks stable, both the pH and viscosity, and you run those inks in the range that they were determined to be run in. The other thing that goes along with that is making sure that your Anilox rolls are clean. Now, anytime pH and viscosity changes, anytime you got air moving through, there's a chance of ink starting to dry in the cells. So it's important that we keep those clean. But one of the problems that we're having is with these fine cells, trying to get them deep cleaned. We were cleaning them by hand, scrubbing them with a brush, and that might work a little bit. But it's not like what this machine does. This machine gets right down there, cleans the cells, and makes sure that your print stays consistent. The machine uses a plastic media which basically shoots itself into the rolls without damaging them. It's not like the soda blasters where you can run into issues with those. This is actually friendly for the whole Anilox roll system, and we basically clean our rolls about once a month with this. Since we've been doing that, our color management process that we put together, we've been able to maintain very good color width because of this system. I mean, this is, of course, you got to have the machine, you got to have the press crews, you got to have the pH and the viscosity and the good inks, but this definitely fits in with that entire process. Basically, what you can do with this machine is you can set the circumference and the cleaning of that depending on the roll size and then also the length of the roll. So what we've done here is we have everything preset into the system where if we put a roll from the Martin in, we basically press one button and it makes all the adjustments. We basically just have to drop it in and start cleaning it. If we take it out of a litho press, which is a 56-inch roll, again, it's one button, you press it, everything moves into place, you drop it into place. One of the other areas that we've used this machine in is our offset area. We have a Mitsubishi and also Heidelberg. We have basically 8 colors on each one of those machines that are offset, lithographic printing, and then we have one coating tower on each one, which is basically a Flexo unit. So basically it uses a doctor blade and it uses the Anilox roll, almost identical to the way a lot of our other machines are set up. One of the benefits, since we've been using the MicroClean on the offset press for the varnish and also for the UV, is our gloss readings have actually been maintained, meaning that they stay very consistent. They've also been raised to a new bar, just giving us, brighter, more vibrant color and coatings. As far as the MicroClean goes, I would highly recommend this machine to anybody who's very serious about a strong color management system and consistent print. Because the machine truly does work. It's a great way to keep your rolls clean. Anyone that's been involved in Flexo understands the frustrations of not having clean Anilox rolls and how it affects your entire process.